What if I told you that the average millionaire doesn't rely on just one or even two, but 7 different streams of income? And here's the crazy part. You're probably missing out on at least 5 of them. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, we are going to break down all 7 income streams, show you how they work, and help you figure out which ones are right for you. Let's dive in. Relying on a single paycheck today is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. One job loss, one emergency, one bad month, and everything can collapse. That's why the wealthy don't play that game. They diversify their income. So when one stream slows down, the others keep flowing. And here's the best part. This isn't just for millionaires. Whether you're a student, an employee, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, there's a stream of income designed for you. Let's break them down. Earned income. This is your job, your 9-to-5, freelance gigs, consulting work, anytime you trade time for money. That's earned income. It's where most people start, but it's also the least scalable. You only get paid when you work. So the question is, how can you make money even when you're not working? Profit income. This is income from buying and selling, running a business, flipping products, drop shipping, Amazon FBA. It's higher risk, but also higher reward. And guess what? You don't need a big budget to start. You just need creativity and hustle. Ever sold something online? That's profit income. 3, interest income. This is when your money earns money. Think savings accounts, bonds, peer-to-peer lending. You're essentially getting paid to lend money without lifting a finger. The returns aren't huge, unless you have serious capital, but it's safe and passive. 4, dividend income. Now we're talking. This is income from stocks that pay you just for owning them. Every quarter or every month, you get a slice of the company's profits. And the best part, you don't need to sell anything. Just buy, hold, and get paid. 5, rental income. Own property, rent it out, and boom, rental income. It could be a house, an apartment, a spare room, or even Airbnb. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset, and it's one of the most reliable sources of monthly cash flow. 6, capital gains. This is profit from selling assets, like stocks, real estate, or crypto for more than you bought them. Buy low, sell high. Pocket the difference. Sometimes it's unpredictable, but when it hits, it can be life-changing. Bonus tip, hold long-term, and you'll usually pay less tax. 7, royalty or residual income. This is the ultimate goal for many. You do the work once and get paid again and again. Write a book, create a course, license your art, sell digital products. This is where your creativity turns into cash on autopilot. Ask yourself, what could you create once that pays you forever? So, which of these 7 income streams are right for you? If you want safety and predictability, stick with earned and interest income. If you've got the hustle, profit income or rental might be your lane. Want true freedom? Build passive streams like dividends, royalties, or capital gains. Here's the key. You don't need all 7 today. Start with 1, master it, then stack the rest, one stream at a time. Now I want to hear from you. Which streams are you currently working on? And which one are you most excited to start next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading every one. If this video gave you some money-making ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip from the Zunaisha Wealth Whisperer. Because remember, money never sleeps, and neither should your income streams. Until next time, stay wealthy, stay wise.